We're going to enter a time of meditation together, entering an inner stillness that's accessible for each and every one of us inside on this beautiful spring day. We look outside and see the greening of our world. We see plants and flowers. There's also a greening in you. There's also new life, new possibilities, new things arising in you too. Let's focus on that idea. Let's focus on the idea of maybe a garden. Maybe inside you, you could imagine a garden. So if you're comfortable closing your eyes and settling in, think about the most beautiful garden in you. And as you think about this garden, think that you see little green shoots, little flowers arising, maybe even roses. Maybe you see a red rose. Beautiful red rose. And as you look, there's another color. There's a peachy orange rose. And look, there's a yellow rose. As you breathe in, can you smell the roses? And you look around at the greenery all around you. Around you, you see spring green. And you know that when you see that spring green, you see the greening of you. The greening inside you rising up. And look, there's a blue rose too. And as you look, there's a purple rose. Deep, deep magenta. Every color imaginable right there for you in your garden. And in this garden inside you, there's a place where you can sit. You can take a seat. It's the most comfortable seat, just made just for you. And as you sit in that seat, as you sit there and breathe in and breathe out, know that you can enter that stillness anytime, any moment, and feel that greening inside you, that rising spirit that rises up and says, yes. It rises up and says, I can. It rises up and says, I will. It rises up and says, I align with my higher self, Holy Spirit. And let's take a few moments in silence, our inner silence. And as you breathe in, know that this holy place inside you is with you always. Every step you take, everywhere you walk is holy ground because you walk with God. And so it is. Breathe in, breathe out, open your eyes, and know that we walk on holy ground.